Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Brat items on Just to Impress. So it was right here, and since there is another update, it has been removed because it's only a limited time event, I guess. So to find it, you did have to play when the event was there. So if you didn't play when the event was there, I'm so sorry to tell you, but it won't show up. So to find it, you're just going to select the code section, and they already have it inputted for you. I didn't even know these glasses were there, to be honest, but now they're there. So just select the items that you want to use, and yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.